Another thing that can cause a Roman blind to pull up crooked is a faulty spool. So if you'd like to come down to the bench, we've got a couple here. This is how they're supposed to wind up, nice and even, but sometimes you'll get one that's faulty that'll actually roll the cords up on top of each other and keep them down to one end. And what that does is, because they're bunching up, it means the blind will pull up unevenly. So we're going to have to replace one of these spools. First thing to know about these is that there are, once again, different. Okay, this one has a hexagonal bar, this one has a square bar, so you'll need to make sure you get the right one. Also, this one comes with both hexagonal and square, so just be aware of the differences. So, next thing we're going to do is take the blind down. So once again, we remove the fabric, take the blind off and bring it back down to the bench. Once you've got the blind down on the bench, you'll need to take out the control unit. Slide it out of the way. If the blind hasn't already rolled down, it will now just freewheel down, and that's the way you want it, with the cords all the way out. You'd untie the cord that you want to replace, pulling it through, then slide the track completely away, so as you leave exposed the spools. From there, this is the spool we want to replace, so we would just take it off and discard it. Make sure that the spool that's already there is all the way out. You would get your new spool, make sure it is all the way out, and slide it on to the bar. Once you've slid the spool on, then slide everything back into the track. Put the control back on and slide it into place. Tighten the control and then basically line up where the spools are going to go. From there, you would cut that cord, just tie it up. Pull the cord down through the loops and very roughly tie it off. Once you've done that, take the blind and rehang it. Making sure that everything is basically lined up. From there, pull it up and then adjust the cords from there. Once you've got the cord tied off and level, take the excess, cut it off, attach the velcro, check that the blind is rolling up square. If it looks okay, pop the velcro down, check the positioning of your spools, tighten them, reattach the fabric, and test.